Have you ever taken a bath in a spearmint, peppermint, winter wonderland scented soap? Well, in today's video, I have made this soap that is an explosion of mint, and if you want to see how I did it, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Hello and good day, everyone. I am Natasha, and we're going to get straight into this mint explosion soap video. I made this soap with peppermint essential oil, spearmint essential oil, and candycane fragrance oil. Here you see me preparing these embeds. These embeds are scented with peppermint essential oil, and guys, a little goes a long way because these embeds smell awesome. It's really an explosion of peppermint, but they smell so good. Now the embeds, guys, okay, so so the embeds, one looks like a peppermint bark, right? So I don't know if any of you are into peppermint, but usually around the winter time you'll see like the peppermint chocolate or the peppermint bark. So one of the embeds look like that, and the other one looks like, I don't know, a wafer. I no clue. I just thought it looked nice, and I thought it would look great on the soap. Now, as you can see, the soap itself I am going to scent with the spearmint essential oil and candycane fragrance oil. If you haven't seen my video, I did do a review on the candycane fragrance oil in one of my videos. I'll link it at the top and in the description. But we're testing it out in this soap today, and I will tell you the finished product, you do get that candy scented mint cane in the soap. It's not as strong, but it is there and it's beautiful. Now I'm using my divider in this soap loaf. It does not have the end pieces to keep it stable, but honestly, if you level out the base of the soap, if you level out the soap at the bottom at the base, it'll keep it steady for you, and you kind of don't need it, but it'd be nice if you have it. You know what I mean? I expressed in previous videos that I'm just really tired of buying products that break, and so those broke like within the first week. But I found a workaround. That's life, right? So if this is your first time seeing my videos, hello. You are welcome here anytime. Stop by, grab a drink, you know what I'm saying? Get something to eat, sit down, listen to me babble and whatever. And if you've been here before and you just know how I stay, thank you for being here. Thank you for subscribing. I welcome you all. Just keep positive vibes and good energy. That's what I'm about. And this soap honestly has some good energy to it. It is a very minty scent. The spearmint, guys, smells like serious spearmint. Like if you've ever had spearmint gum, if you ever had spearmint in your toothpaste, mouthwash, it smells like that. Now when you bathe with it, holy crap, oh my goodness, it smells so it's just that, you know how mint has that clean it's like a clean kind of scent to it. It smells refreshing. It just puts you in a different mindset, you know what I mean? And being that it's winter time, I thought it would be a great addition to the soap, and that's why I definitely wanted to include it in this soap. Now what I'm using to combine both sides is a gear tie. You can get this at Amazon, sells them. I got this particular one at Home Depot because the first one I had, I couldn't find it, and then I found out my husband had it tying up something in the garage. I'm like, oh no, that's so disrespectful. How you gonna be taking my products, okay, my supplies, and tying up your rinky stuff, your rusty stuff in the garage? But I bought another one. This one was smaller. And so I decided to try to do like a cane, like a swirl to it. And as you can see, it kind of came out nice. because I was holding it with both hands, and then I thought it was cute, and I tried to do it one handed, and then it was just like wonky McWonk wonk, but it came out good, guys. It came out very, very nice. I just wish that I held it with both hands to control the swirl, but it was quite fine. So what you guys doing this winter though? Like what's happening? What holidays do you guys celebrate? Because this soap here fits any, it's just so seasonal. It's so fall, so winter, so nice, you know. But what you guys doing? What scent you like to smell during the holidays? You like cinnamon? You like mint? Cardamom? Which I like smelling? Pumpkin, cooked food. Now let me stop. You know, some of us like the smell of the sensimilla, but what do you like? What scents you like smelling during the holidays? Because there's certain scents that gets us in the mood for, you know, this type of season. And honestly, guys, when this type of season come around, you really like, you should have scents around your home that uplift your spirits, you know. So, you know, winter is a tough time for some people. So it's good to have something around you, a candle, a soap, a lotion, anything that lifts your spirits up. So whatever that is, you definitely should keep it around. And it's nothing wrong with having a nice scented soap that you can take a shower and just go into your own world, because I do that all the time. I use up so much soaps because I just like the scent of it and like how the steam hits it. Oh my goodness, forget about it. Now, right now, this soap, I'm not gonna lie, it's giving me Italian pasta. It was reminding me of Italian pasta, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. But it looks more delicious to eat. Like, it making me hungry more than, you know, I'm thinking about like a winter wonderland. But it actually, I hook it up. It does. I do make it so that it does give that winter wonderland vibrance to it. Oh, look at that pan. Look at that soap. What? You mean to tell me this would make a nice gift? What? That looks beautiful. Okay, that looks so nice. And the cut, I can't wait for y'all to see the cut. So when using embeds, you guys, it's important to try to measure out this, make a measurement on the side of your mold so you know where to put them, so you don't have any casualties of embeds when you're trying to cut. I had a little slight casualty. If you didn't catch it, I'm not pointing it out. But one of my embeds almost got caught in the little roughage of the cut. Well, are you guys ready to see what we got? Right now, hold on to your jingle bells. Oh no. Look at how those embeds sit on that soap, and look at that. Man, get your shades on. Because the glitter is giving a lot of shine. Okay, your future is too bright. Put on your shades. This soap came out great, you guys. The design on the insides are going to be very different. I like it. It adds a little interest and contrast to what's happening at the top. The embeds, I like how they came out. They sitting at the top. This actually, guys, this looks like a drink, don't it? Don't it look like some kind of like mint, some kind of mint drink? It looks like a drink, but it looks beautiful. And I'm telling you that if you gave this to a gift to somebody, it would be really nice. Or if you just had it on top of your sink. But dang, look at the tops. Oh my, look, this came out really nice. This really came out nice. And the scent, you guys, the fragrance coming off these soaps is, oh my goodness, it is so vibrant. Like I was saying previously, I had to draw lines on my mold so that I know where to put the embeds, because when using the multicolor soap cutter thing here, gadget duddy, you can cut your mold, you can cut your embeds right off. So the easiest way to deal with that is to get the width of your soap and understand where that is, and draw lines on your mold, your soap loaf mold, and so that way you can understand where to put your embeds. So yes, you guys, I put another video of me doing a second batch of this. This came out pretty different. Some of the colors I feel came out a bit vibrant. So I like the colors in this soap. I'm just not crazy about how I did the twist at the top. I'm not gonna lie, my alarm went off. I had to go pick up my daughter and I had no time. I was like, I'm not wasting this soap. I'm not wasting this video. We gonna get this through. So it is a bit chaotic. And also the piping, I should have let it set up a little longer, because then it would have been more firm and then I would have had more control over the twist. But the end result came out nice. If you learn anything from my videos, is that generally when it looks like a disaster, keep going, don't stop. You'd be surprised at what beauty comes out of things that you perceive as mistakes. I'm telling you guys, don't stop. I don't care how the soap look, keep going, don't even stop. And now you're gonna see me putting in my peppermint bark pieces. Now for this soap mold, guys, unfortunately I did not put the measurements on the side, so you see these random placements of the embeds, and because of this I had to use the single soap cutter, which was drama in and itself. But again, the soap came out beautiful anyway. This is pan number 2. This soap came out nice too, but do you see what I mean when I say the vibrance of it? Like that pink is popping at the top. It's giving definitely, like, you know, more vibrance to it. But both soaps came out beautiful. Look at that. Oh my goodness, that, look at that. The white is a bit whiter. There's a bit more pink in this one. It's a bit more bright, but both soaps smell good, great. They smell the same. And apparently when I was doing the swirl, I missed the whole middle. Like, there's a big it's okay though. It's okay. That's just the design of the soap, and I think I like it. I like how it's giving drama. Like, I'm dramatic on one end, and the other end is like laid back, like not that much drama. Just calm down, slow your roll, you know. And then the center is like your third eye. Yo, listen, I'm a little too addicted to soap. I'm just letting y'all know. Actually, I love creativity. I've said that before. I love things that are different. I had expressed in other videos, I do not like cookie cutter, everything's the same. You know what I mean? I don't even like the fact that the soaps are square. So you see how it was mushrooming? You see how the soap, when I was doing the batter, was mushrooming? I like how this soap came out because of it. Even though it looked a bit sloppy, the soap mushrooming over, like it was kind of looking like it was falling over the sides, it created this design. Like, it kind of looked like it's, you know, Like there's foam whipped cream on the top. You know, I don't know. It wasn't my intention for this to look like a drink, but it looks like a drink. I think it's beautiful. You know, I really, really, really do. Hey, if you're a soap maker and you decide to use any of these fragrances, let me know. Tag me so I can see what your creations are. And listen, protect your energy. Stay around high vibrational people. I wish you guys positive energy, all the best. And I wish you would click on the next video. You see that one on the left? You can click on that one or the one on the right. Guys, thank you for stopping by. See you.